Posting these quotations videos on this channel alone brings in $635,000 a year in YouTube ads. And if we factor in affiliate, sponsorship, and other revenue streams, it should be 4 to 10 times as much. The videos on the channel look like this.
Break your heart, end up fixing your vision.
If you have an internet connection, a laptop, or a smartphone, you may also create a channel similar to this. Step 1. First, let's create channel name, logo, and banner, right? Give me channel name idea for motivational quotes or any appropriate phrase in the GPT chat window. This was generated by ChatGPT, but I still need more, so I requested 20 further name suggestions. I enjoy Quotable Quest. Let's head over to YouTube, make a new channel, and give it a name. Now that our brand new channel has been established, it requires a logo and banner to give it a polished appearance. Go to Canva and complete this assignment there. Let's upscale this one because I like it. Now that we have the logo, let's use it to create a banner. Visit Canva. Choose any banner template you want, and let's start by uploading the logo right now. It can be dropped directly from your local file or Canva using drag and drop to make the background more in line with the overall motif. Let's alter it to have a feeling of going on a quest. Lastly, clear off the extraneous content. Export it now. It's finished, so return to our channel, select Profile, make the necessary changes, and then upload these files. This is how our channel now appears. Let's proceed to step 2, where we'll create the script title description and keyword that will help our channel rank. Return to ChatGPT, paste this command there, followed with the topic of your choice. Our script is now complete. Let's write a summary for our video. Ask ChatGPT to create a title for the video after doing the same. Now pay close attention and copy-paste the precise keyword creation prompt, or you will have to copy-paste each keyword individually. Step 3, create the voiceover now in Step 3 by going to 11 Labs. The best feature of 11 Labs is the ability to customize your tone of voice for any situation. I require a loud, clear voice, so let's paste our script here and I'll set it up like this. Here's how it sounds like.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful.
Perfect. We now need some images similar to these for our video. So let's go to Leonardo. I'm creating an account and type in this prompt. These are a few of stunning images we captured. Step 4 can be done in a flash. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. At Step 5, our video will be edited. This time I'm using CapCut because it's easy to use, and it also has some great features. To start with, we create a new project, import all the files to CapCut. Then we insert the image and the voiceover into the timeline. Adjust the image to fit the duration of our voiceover. 2 quick and easy tips to make the video 10 times better. 1. Adding captions. Go to Text, click on Auto Caption, and in a flash you have captions which you can also animate by choosing from the different options available on CapCut. 2. Animate the image. Click on the image, go to Animation, select one of the many animations, and maybe adjust the time frame to suit the duration of the clip. There is an omission. It's music. So visit the YouTube music library and perform a genre or motivational music search. Let's download and include this one because I enjoyed it in our video. This is how music has power.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful.
Amazing. All you need to do now is upload the video to YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a like and subscribe. If you need more insight about this video, do leave a comment. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.